Okay, now in this recording, we'll be talking about whether these indifference curves, they can intersect or not. Okay, so we have already understood one thing from our rationality axioms, is that the preferences, okay, they will be rational in case if they satisfy reflexivity, completeness and transitivity properties. Well, let us try to understand whether actually transitivity property would be satisfied by two intersecting indifference curves. And in case if it is not, then we would say this, that indifference curves cannot intersect actually. Okay. Now suppose there are two indifference curves, u1 and u2. Okay, and they are intersecting at say point B, and A and C are respectively on the indifference curves u1 and u2, while B is on the intersection and hence technically it is on both this indifference curve. Well, since all the points on a given indifference curve, they would always give an equal satisfaction to an individual. Okay. Also further assume this, that A is preferred to C. Fine. Now since A and B are on the indifference curve u1, okay, then we would say this, that A is indifferent to B. Clear? Since B and C are on the same indifference curve u2, then we would say this, that B is indifferent to C. Now in case if transitivity is satisfied, then we would say this, that A is indifferent to C. Okay, because A is indifferent to B, B is indifferent to C, then A should be indifferent to C. But we've assumed this, that A is A is more preferred to C. Okay, and hence we can say this, that indifference curves, they actually cannot intersect. Okay, thanks.